Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet and with my advanced option strategy. So for the month of December, so we updated that Google Sheet for the monthly positional and weekly positional also we updated in the morning and intraday also updated, but we are not making any video for that, and due to heavy rain here my city, and this today due to that huge gap up in Nifty, the many stocks which given you the trade opportunity, but we can't able to try it. But as per our positional concept as of now, so on 4th of December we have almost four stocks, I think three stocks which achieved our target, but some of the stock is not achieving, not able to try that position, but someone would track it, but even though it is not possible to trade it. So that I'm going to discuss, and how that concept which you are using to take a trade based on the monthly positional, and someone who asking about how to make a stop loss, that is also I'm going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, and let me go to check on those who are watching from Friday, because the monthly positional sheet which is going to start updating from first of every month, that is from Friday. So we are updating the sheet, and we find out Friday as a positional trade. We got an opportunity in the three stocks like PFC, REC, and one more stock is around Dixon. So I think these are all the stocks which given you the trade opportunity after 9:30. Why we are always focusing after 9:30? Because if such a kind of gap up market, many stock is going to trigger our entry point, and it is going above or about to our entry point, so we can't able to try our entry point. So as of now, so I'm not suggesting the ICICI Bank at 935 is a strike price 41.2. This doesn't give you opportunity. Okay, so why I'm saying that, it is triggers in the first 15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Those who are watching, a very quick trader and a risky taker, maybe we can take an entry. But as per the concept, if the entry point which triggers in first 15 minutes, we simply wait for the retracement or a re-trigger of that particular position. That would be a better for a good trade opportunity. But let me check PFC, REC, and Dixon. So that was giving you entry on Friday, that got achieved our target, and today. So Dixon 5,500 is our entry price, strike price. Look at this. This is what a Dixon which I'm looking for, 5,500. The breakout which is happening at this point, where is our exact entry point is 439. That 439 got triggered on this particular candle. So around 11:15 to 12 o'clock 15 minutes candle, we got an entry in 1st of December. So after that, it went to maximum of 626, almost 430, and 620, 200 point that increased. But after that, it came down, and today it's opening itself is showing you near about 700 plus, that exactly achieved our target and finally closed to 567. This is the first stock which achieved our target. Then REC and PFC both. So REC 347.5, 347.5 call option which we got an entry yesterday, and this is the candle 9:15, 25. 16 to 25, where is our entry point? 28 is our entry point. Sorry, 29. REC, no? 29, that got triggered on the second candle only. So after 9:30, we have uh, triggered that entry point. After 9:30 is a perfect entry, and today by opening itself, it reaching towards the 49, that is achieved and closed by 44. This is the second stock which achieved our positional target. The third one, based on our advanced options strategy concept, 335 PFC. So 335 PFC, and this is the second candle 32. Our entry point should be around 28.4, and it came down to 27.2. So this is what a retracement opportunity which is happening on 9:45. The first candle at reaching to 28.5. Our entry point is 28.4, exactly at the same price. Maybe if it is triggers in the first 15 minutes, I should ignore, and retracement, it got my opportunity, and today it reaching towards the target, and it moves to 53, finally low 43. So these three which achieved my target, and today L&T not given you the opportunity. So I show you that ICICI Bank, why I'm not saying you this is the exact entry which triggered, not triggered. ICICI Bank 935 call option. Let me go to check ICICI 935 call option. And exact entry for this 41.2. In the first candle, it moving towards 46 in first 15 minutes candle. So it doesn't provide you the entry opportunity, and our entry point is 41.2. And after making the high of 48, it came down to 41.65 and the 41.7. This three candle, it making a low somewhere around. Our entry point is 41.2. Here it came down to 41.6, 41.7 and 41.8, something like that. So the low of this particular area. So unfortunately this is not triggered, so that's why I said it is not active. So as per our concept, we are not taking this trade. Maybe if you are a quick scalper, maybe at this point you maybe try, but this is what a moment. As per our positional strategy, this is not a trade which is not triggered our entry point because of huge gap down, sorry, gap up. Into Petro also be the same 347, but into Petro I was taken by intraday concept that we recently created a scanner. So based on that, so look at this 19 to 23, our entry point is 22. Okay, but the 22 is never came back. 22.25 and 22.3. As per our positional concept, we have to look for this particular strike price of indicator 347.5 is exactly 22, but it doesn't trigger, but it reaching towards 39, so almost more than our target. So some of the stocks like L&D also, because of huge gap up, so we can't find out, but some stocks which triggers after our entry point like Ambuja Cements, I think it is also the gap up just 440. Ambuja Cement 440, that is what an entry point which you are looking for. In the first candle it's a 28.95. So our entry point in Ambuja Cement is around 31.7. What is the exact high? 29. So we got an entry point at 10 o'clock. So this is what a positional entry which triggers and closed by 39, but it not achieved a target, but from your entry point it is 20% higher. So and L&T 3100, that is also not given you opportunity. 3100 call option which I'm looking for, and in the first candle it was 216 and closed by 185. Our entry point is somewhere around 161.8, but it never came down to 161.8 because it's a gap up from 128 to 169. Our entry point is 161, so we can't able to purchase it, or we can't able to get this opportunity in real market. So this is also be a ignorable trade. Almost it is nearing to the target, so we should ignore ICICI Bank and Indo Petro and L&T that already got our target. And let me check about SBI and 565. That is one more call option which triggers 565. Let me check whether it is giving you the opportunity or not. 31.6 is the high, 29 point something is close, 29 is our entry point. So look at this here at this point, it came down to 28. This one given you the opportunity and a slightly 28%. Maybe in next few sessions we can get achieve our target. So why? Like that only we should play, and we should follow the options only to get such a trade opportunities. We don't want to go for all the stocks, but based on our monthly positional concept, we should find out 3 to 4 stocks in a month. That's good enough. So based on that only we are looking for the class or advanced option strategy class. So if you are looking at a regular and consistent with a very few number of trades, this course would be beneficial to you. You can attend, and one-to-one recorder also available. If you want to access the Google Sheet and the stop loss, I'm talking about a stop loss. If you are attending my classes, you know very well how to keep your stop loss, or at the point of entry you know well how to utilize our hedging strategies. Maybe that are 5 different strategy which you are looking for. So maybe SBAN which gives you the entry at this point of 29, so maybe 2.1, 3.2, or F4 strategies or SBB strategy, whatever the thing which you can apply at this point as per your convenience. Okay, or you can use for naked ATM or OTM also. So it's based on your convenience. So you know well about how to keep your stop loss. But someone who want to using the Google Sheet without knowing advanced option strategy, I'm not this is a tool to find out a trade opportunity. Here based on this, we are not going to give you any buy sell signals. It's about the analyzing tool or by the scanning tool where we find out opportunity. Maybe if you are the top stock today is ICC Bank and Hindu Petro, maybe you can use your any of your indicators, something like that. So maybe to find out a stop loss, the super trend will is a simple indicator which give you the stop loss. Okay, so for the first 15 minutes, if I'm going to take for a state bank, which is showing in the top list, in a 15 minutes time frame, it is already in buy. So if I'm lying, ticking for a trade around 28, maybe you keep stop loss below 23 as per the top list of stocks. As we scanned the list of stocks in the sheet, you can utilize or you can find out. I'm not suggesting you to super trend to use, but super trend is showing you the stop loss also, or you can use for VWAP, ADR, ADX, whatever the thing which you are using, or you know very well about your trading methods. You are using some trading method. Based on that, you can keep your stop loss. Okay, like ICC 935. So maybe if you are not following our Google that positional strategy, and look at this, the first candle it is here around 38, 43. A stop loss at the time should be around 36. After this, we can get a 36 as a stop loss, and you can trial your stop losses also by using the super trend. But only the list of stock which is trading in the top and Indo Petro 347.5. So because why I'm showing with this super trend, it is clearly showing about stop losses. Okay, so that's why. So in the sheet, we are not providing any stop loss. Here is the point. It's going to give you the opportunity. At this point, you can look at this for the December by the opening itself around the first 15 minutes, and the lower level is around 15 rupees. If you are taking entry around 1915 is your stop loss. Finally, it went up to 33, sorry, 39, and you can keep increasing stop loss based on this method also. So you can utilize whatever the thing, not only super trend, or if you are using camera levels, look for this. Is this opened above R4? You can keep below stop loss R4 or R3. Even you can add a pivot and pivot level as a stop loss. Let me go for ICICI 935. 935 call option. This is also opened above pivot, and you can keep a R4 or R3, whatever. As per your convenience, as per your riskability, you can keep your stop loss. And as per our concept, weekly positional, some of the stock which triggers like Asia Motor, ICICI Bank, and but not on any hit our target, but Ambuja Cements, Indo Petrol, maybe it triggering our entry point, and that was giving you. So, but weekly positional strike price would be 945. So let me go for ICICI Bank 945 weekly positional, where it is going to give you opportunity 42.6. At this level, it came down to it given you the opportunity on weekly positional 42 somewhere here around 1 o'clock. So from that 42, it gives you some good result. And weekly is the entire concept is different, and monthly positional is different. And once you know about our concept, you can utilize it. And even if you don't know about our concepts also, you can utilize your you can use your own strategies to apply your stop loss and entry point from the top list stock. Same thing intraday, it is works based on the umbrella R4. You can keep your stop loss below R3 or even pivot or even S3 according to your convenience or your riskability. I hope you understood. And as of now, this month we have a clear target of 3 stocks which achieved our monthly positional, and some of the stock which triggers maybe we can wait for positional basis, and in futures it can be triggered, so maybe 2 or 3 days or even according to the market condition. I hope you understood how to use our Google Sheet and how to keep a stop loss with the Google Sheet without knowing the strategy. It's no problem. So you can utilize your own strategies, any of the strategies, or any of the time frame also you can utilize. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any other questions, doubts, just comment in the comment box. If you want to get this Google Sheet, just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you.